all over the road. If you ride up the middle of the road and don't get over for me, mate, you're going to be in strife. This is ridiculous. They should not be on this damn road. Exactly. How are you meant to give them 1.5 without running off the road? You've got to get in the drain on the other side. They shouldn't be allowed on the road. The condition of the road, it's... weaving all over the road. Yeah, they've gone back to the middle of the road now. They're riding on the middle because it's smooth. It's not got the potholes and the corrugations in it. Now seriously, this should not be allowed on the Highlands roads. They're old enough to be in a fucking cemetery without being a casualty in a road accident. We've got a 10-yard truck in front of us. He's noticed him and he's slowing right down. And here comes the bloody tour bus that goes with him with his hazard lights on, thinking he's got the fucking right to tell everybody to get off the road. Seriously, mate. It shouldn't be bloody allowed. Fuck me. There's log trucks use this road. Is that a Tesla?
No, it's a
Polestar.
No, I think it's an MG.
Shipping a vape. Fucking fair. Look at this fucking half-wit. You bloody idiots. At least they're in bright colours. Fucking cameras all over them, you fucking dickheads.